On the busy streets of Mumbai, a frail old man named Ramesh sat on a worn-out mat near a bustling train station. His clothes were tattered, his face wrinkled with hardship, and his hands trembled as he held out an empty tin can. Every day, thousands of people walked past him, some dropping a few coins, others ignoring him completely. Ramesh had once been a factory worker, but after an accident left him unable to work, he lost his job, his home, and eventually his family. For years, he lived on the streets, surviving on scraps and begging for food. Despite his misfortune, he never lost hope. He believed that one day, life would change. One evening, as he counted the few coins he had collected, he noticed a well-dressed man watching him from a distance. The man, named Rajiv, had been observing Ramesh for weeks. Unlike other beggars, Ramesh never complained or cursed his fate. Instead, he always greeted people with a smile, even when they ignored him. Curious, Rajiv approached him. "Why do you smile when life has been so cruel to you?" he asked. Ramesh replied, "Because I am still alive, sir. Every day is a new chance. Maybe tomorrow will be better." Impressed by his positive attitude, Rajiv invited Ramesh for a meal. Over dinner, Rajiv learned about Ramesh's past and his skills as a factory worker. Rajiv, a successful businessman, decided to give him a job in one of his factories. He provided Ramesh with a small room, clean clothes, and an opportunity to rebuild his life. Determined to prove himself, Ramesh worked harder than anyone else. His dedication and experience soon caught the attention of senior managers, and within a year he was promoted. With his earnings, he started saving money, and eventually he invested in a small roadside tea stall. His tea stall became famous for its unique taste and warm hospitality. With time, he expanded his business, opening multiple stalls across the city. His success continued to grow, and within 10 years he became the owner of a chain of restaurants. One day, he returned to the same spot where he once begged, not to seek alms, but to help others like him. He started a foundation to support homeless people, providing them with jobs and shelter. At a press conference, a journalist asked him, "How did you go from being a beggar to a millionaire?" Ramesh smiled and said, "It all started with a man who believed in me when no one else did. But more than that, it started with me believing that my life could change. Never lose hope, because even the darkest nights end with a sunrise." His story became an inspiration for many, proving that no matter how difficult life gets, hope and determination can change everything.